I just want you to watch this.
Why so glum? Join the celebration.
There's little to celebrate, Liam. The forest is dying.
Dying? Nonsense. It's always been there.
Elara struggled to make them understand, but their ignorance was a shield against the truth.
That right there, fully animated, cinematic, consistent characters, professional narration, was made in minutes. No camera, no voice actors, no editing software, no animation skills whatsoever. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that yourself, step by step. Let's dive in. So here's the thing. Creating animated videos used to be genuinely hard. If you had a cool story idea, you basically had two options. Option 1, spend thousands of dollars on equipment, software, and freelancers. Option 2, spend years learning tools like Blender or After Effects, and still probably not get the result you wanted. And even with the newer AI tools, it's still a mess. You write your script in ChatGPT, generate images in Midjourney, animate them in Runway, stitch everything together in Premiere, add voiceover from a separate tool. It's like 5 different apps just to make one video. That's exhausting. But there's a platform that completely solves this problem, and it's called Hypernatural AI. It's a complete storytelling engine. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Alright, so let's jump onto the screen. Here we are on the Hypernatural AI dashboard. I'll drop the link in the description. You just need to create a free account to get started. Now, the first thing you'll notice is how clean this interface is. Right in the center of the screen, you've got this text box. This is where your idea lives. And here's what I love about this: you don't need a fully written script. You don't need to have everything figured out. You can literally type one sentence, and the AI will do the rest. You can even add assets like images and videos to your video, and create scripts from narrated audio, video, and voiceover. However, I will go with only one idea. I'm going to type in, a young warrior discovers she is the last guardian of a dying magical forest. That's it. One sentence. No character names, no scene descriptions, nothing fancy. Now, once your idea is in, you'll choose your video style. Here you will find a vast number of styles, including realistic, anime, 3D, fantasy, and others. You can even create your own style. To do that, click here. Now set a name for the style. After that, you have to upload up to 6 reference images. Otherwise, you can create with prompts. However, as I am creating an animated video, I am selecting the 3D animation style from the library. After selecting the style, select the duration of the video. Here you will find 4 options. The first one is clips that create videos shorter than 60 seconds. After that, the short video for 1 to 3 minute long videos. The classic video to create 3 to 10 minute videos. And lastly, videos longer than 10 minutes. That means you can create an extremely long video. For testing purposes, I am selecting classic or a 3 to 10 minute long video. Next, we have to set the aspect ratio of the video. Select a ratio as per your need. Now simply hit the next button from here to generate the script. The AI isn't just writing a script, it's simultaneously building out your narration, structuring your scenes, and laying the groundwork for your characters, all at the same time. In most workflows, these are 3 completely separate steps that each take hours. Here it happens in seconds. This is the core time-saving magic of Hypernatural. You give it a concept, and it hands you back a production-ready foundation. For content creators who are trying to post consistently, this alone is a game changer. Our script is ready. This is really quite a good script. I like it. However, if you don't like the script or want to change any part of the script, you can do it by text command only. At the top, you will find some options. First, the narrator. This is the narrator's voiceover. You will find a bunch of options. You can choose anyone from here. Next, you can change the video style or create a new style. After the style, you can change the aspect ratio. Next, we have character. According to the story, AI created 5 characters for us. If you click here, you will find a bunch of pre-made characters. You can change the character and set it as you want. You can even create and set a new character. This is the character creator interface. First of all, we have to enter the name of the character. Once done, to create a new character, you have to upload the character image. If you don't have any character image, you can create a new one using text prompts. I am entering a prompt and then hit the generate button. And here it is. The character is ready. You will find all the details with a preview image. If you are not satisfied with the character, you can customize it. Okay, you can select the voice for your character also. You will find all the voices. Just select the perfect one. Once everything is set, click here to create the character. Now in the same method, modify or select all other characters. Hit the Make Video button from here. Now it will take some time to create the storyboard. So I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is, the video storyboard is ready. You can notice that it creates all the scenes according to the script. Now you can see the preview by clicking here.
The last hope for a dying realm.
What happened here?
A wave of sadness washed over Ilara as she approached the dying grove.
So right now our storyboard is looking great. We've got our scenes, our characters, our style. But here's the thing. At this stage, the scenes are still images. And still images in a video feel flat. They feel like a slideshow. We need to bring them to life. To do that, I am selecting the first scene and clicking on the Animate with AI. Now here you can see that Hypernatural AI is generating the video prompts. You can customize the prompt and click here to generate videos. And here it is, the video is ready. And here is the result. Now, it looks perfect. Now you could go scene by scene and click Animate with AI on each one individually. That works great if you want to fine-tune specific scenes. But if you want to animate your entire video in one shot, which, honestly, is what I recommend for your first run, here's what you do. Click on the full motion option from here, and then select all your scenes. Hit Generate, and then just wait. Look at that. Every single scene is now a moving video clip. The camera is panning, the characters are moving, the environment feels alive. This went from a storyboard to a cinematic short film with literally one click. This is the wow moment. This is the thing that makes people stop and say, wait, I actually made that? Yes. Yes, it did. Alright, we're in the home stretch. Let's do some final polish before we export. Head over to the Design tab. Here you can adjust your caption size, font, and position. Make sure your captions are readable and on brand. After that, jump to the Transitions tab and set your scene transitions. My advice, don't go random here. Pick something consistent and intentional. For a cinematic video like this, smooth fades or subtle cuts work best. If you want to make any last-minute script changes, add a scene or delete something that isn't working, go to the Script tab. Everything is editable right up until the moment you export. Once you're happy with everything, hit the Export button. You can publish directly to YouTube or TikTok from right here, or you can download the video to your device. Just set your resolution. I always recommend the highest available. And here it is, our finished video.
Ilara, a skilled warrior, knew nothing of her true destiny. Unaware she was the last hope for a dying realm.
What happened here?
A wave of sadness washed over Ilara as she approached the dying grove. The tree shared its memories with Ilara, revealing a lineage she never knew.
You are the last, Ilara. The forest's fate rests in your hands.
Who's there? Show yourself.
The voice faded away, leaving Ilara alone with the weight of her newfound destiny.
I can't believe I never noticed.
Ilara realized the encroaching darkness threatened not only the forest, but her home as well.
Ilara, why so glum?
Consistent characters, cinematic style, full motion animation, professional narration, built from one sentence, in minutes. If you're serious about content creation, about building a storytelling channel, about producing videos at a scale that was simply impossible before, Hypernatural AI is the tool. There is nothing else like it right now. And here's the deal, you can actually start for free. Hypernatural gives you free videos to try the platform with no commitment. But if you're ready to go all in, save your characters, unlock longer videos, build your series, use my exclusive discount code in the description for 10% off any paid plan. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of video you're going to create first. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, now go make something incredible.